When we made our first acquisition, we bought a company. The trucks were all beaters. The doors didn't close. The heat didn't work. The AC didn't work. Over the next couple of years, we bought all new trucks. And just as quickly as we could get those things in service, they trashed them. You have to understand, the people that work for you are not invested in that way. From a business perspective, you want the best tool that's going to give you the greatest return. It might make more sense to buy stuff that's a year or two old used, still super reliable, a lower cost, and you don't rip what's left of your hair out every time you see how the guy's treated.